What's up guys, how you doing? I haven't posted in a couple days. I got like really sick out of nowhere. But today I'm going to be doing a review on Corroseal. This stuff was like $60 for the gallon. My trailer hitch, which I'm never going to use on the Outback, it just looks like it's completely rusted, and I'm going to fix it up. So you have to sand it down lightly. Not all the rust needs to be gone, so I'm going to use either a scraper, or I might even use my electric like grinder and put a sanding part on it. Just get it down to mostly metal, but you don't need to do, it's what it says. But stuff's really good. I've seen some YouTube videos on it, so I ordered it, and I'd rather test it out on this car than my bug out. So yeah, let's get going. She just found my my Harbor Freight grinder, so I'm actually gonna use this. I'm just gonna blast it off. I'll show you what the tow hitch looks like. Alright guys, so that's the tow hitch. You can see it's really rusted, and it's just, the car's all black. Then you got that. So I'm gonna grind it off with the Harbor Freight tool, and I'm gonna put some Corroseal on it after. But I'm gonna get this going. So most of the sanding's done. I'm not gonna go crazy with this. I might remove it anyway, like down the line, but it's a lot better than before. I might wipe it down with like an alcohol solution. I recommend doing that. I might skip it, but so with this stuff you got to shake it up really good. See, just so I can show you guys it. And then I'm gonna pour it in the cup, and just found an old paintbrush. Put 3 coats on it to see how it goes. Alright, so the first coat of Corroseal is on. It's all over. Stuff applies really easy. I poured way too much out for something this size. I did the front and back. I'm gonna let it sit. I don't know how long it's gonna actually have to take to cure. It said on the bottle about 2 hours, an hour. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. In about an hour, and I'll show you how it looks so far. In case the lighting's a little off. Pull my phone. So the blue that it's turning is actually good. I still think this needs to cure a little bit. The really dark spots, it's either paint or it's too much applied, so it's got to dry a little longer. But it looks pretty good so far. I'm gonna give it like 20 more minutes and then put another coat on and see how it comes out. So I'm gonna put a total of 2 coats on this, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 2 weeks. See how this stuff holds just as the actual primer itself, because I want to see if it's actually good before I cover it with paint. And yeah, and then I'm gonna end up painting it with probably POR 15, so, or POR 15, whatever you guys call it. So the final coat is on. I'm gonna let it dry, and I'll take a video in about 2 or 3 hours. Hopefully this will be dry. No, the weather's playing a role, but it'll be good. It's been about five hours since everything, since it's dried. So this is just the primer, and that's it. But yeah, so far I rate this like 10 out of 10. We're gonna see how long it just lasts as the primer. I'm gonna put one more coat on, and then I'm gonna paint it. So quick, kind of boring video, but so have a good one guys. Peace out.